Hello TK, welcome to your reading lesson. We're going to start with our objective because that tells us what we're going to be thinking about. Our objective says, I can identify the letters E and F. Wow, the letter F? That's a brand new letter. So before we begin identifying, that just means looking for. Before we begin doing that, I want to go over letters E and F with our song and dance. So go ahead and stand up and follow along with me.
Tricky little letter E, letter E, letter E goes F, 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 and E, E, E. Dance by the light of the moon. Make a big stick down and 3 lines across, 3 lines across, 3 lines across. Make a big stick down and 3 lines across. That's how to make a big E. Make a straight line across, circle up and around, up and around, up and around. Make a straight line across, circle up and around. That's how to make a small E. The tricky little letter E, letter E, letter E goes F, 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 and E, E, E. Dance by the light of the moon.
All right, guys, that was the letter E.
F.
Now this is the letter F, uppercase, lowercase.
One line going down, 2 across next. That is how you make it F, F, F. One line going down, 2 across next. That is how you make it F. Candy cane across for small F. Candy cane across, I know. Candy cane across for small F. Strumming on the old banjo and singing B5, Philly-I-O. B5, Philly-I-O. B5, Philly-I-O. Strumming on the old banjo.
Good job, TK. That was E and F. All right, TK, go ahead and pull out activity page 12 and 13. We're going to start with activity page 12, and we're going to get some practice in with identifying our uppercase E and our lowercase e and our uppercase F and our lowercase f. So let's go ahead and get started with activity page 12. First step is to always write your name. So go ahead and write your first and your last name with your pencil. Once you're done writing your name, I want you to pull out your yellow crayon. You're going to be using this to complete your worksheet. I'm going to be doing it with you. I'm going to use black because I don't have a yellow marker, but go ahead and use your yellow crayon. All right, TK, let's get started. The first box I want you to look at is your flower box. In this box, we are identifying our uppercase E. Go ahead and trace your uppercase E to get a reminder of how it looks. It is a big stick down and 3 lines across. Now go ahead and underline the other uppercase E's in that box. I see one here, and I see one down here. Now that we're done with that box, let's go ahead and move over to our box with the sun in it. In this box, we're looking at our lowercase e. Remember, that is a straight line across, and then we circle up and around. What other letters look like the lowercase e? I see one right here and one right here, so let's make sure to underline from left to right, and again from left to right. Good job, TK. We're almost done with this page. Go ahead and go down to the box with the tree in it. This is where we're going to be identifying our uppercase F. Remember, your uppercase F is 1 line down and 2 lines across. 1, 2. Now that you gave yourself a reminder of how it looks, go ahead and find the other uppercase F in that box and underline from left to right. Go ahead and underline the other one from left to right. Good job, we're almost there, TK. Go ahead and move over to your last box. This is the box with the bucket. We will be identifying lowercase f. Remember, this is the one that looks like a candy cane. Go ahead and underline the other lowercase f's that you see. I see one here, and I see one right here. Good job, TK. Go ahead and turn your paper over to activity page 13. Okay, TK, now that you have activity page 13 out, go ahead and start with your top row. This is where we will be identifying our uppercase E. Which one of those letters is our uppercase E? This one, right? Yeah, it has 3 lines across. So go ahead and underline that. Now we're going to move down to our sun. In this row, you're going to look for the lowercase e. Remember, straight line across, circle up and around. Right here, right? Yeah, underline from left to right. Now we have 2 more rows left. In these rows, we're going to look for the uppercase F and the lowercase f. So remember, our uppercase F was 1 line down and 2 lines across. Which one has 2 lines across? This one, right? Go ahead and underline it from left to right. Now we're going to go ahead and go to our last row. This is where we're going to identify our lowercase f, the one that looks like a candy cane. Which one of these letters is our lowercase f? Go ahead and underline it from left to right. Now you're all done with activity page 12 and 13. So now it is time for you to get out activity page 14. Alright TK, so for pages 12 and 13, we went over letters E and F. But on your activity page 14, we're going to do all the letters we've learned so far. So we're going to start with the basket at the top. This is the first row, our basket row. In this row, with your yellow crayon, I want you to identify the capital A, that means the uppercase A, and the lowercase a. In this row, where is the uppercase A and the lowercase a? Remember, A says A. All right, go ahead and go down to your cap. In this row, you are going to identify and look for the uppercase B and the lowercase b. Which letters are the uppercase B and lowercase b? Go ahead and underline. Now I want you to go down to the chair. In this row, you will be identifying uppercase C and lowercase c. Which one is uppercase and lowercase c? All right, once you've underlined it, go ahead and go down to the porridge bowl. In this row, you will be looking for uppercase D and lowercase d. D. Which of these letters is uppercase D and lowercase d? All right, 2 more rows. In your turtle row, you will be underlining uppercase E and lowercase e. So uppercase E and lowercase e. Go ahead and underline those. And for your last row, I want you to look at the tree. This is where you will be underlining your new letter, uppercase F and lowercase f. Which one is the uppercase and lowercase f? Good job, TK. Once you've underlined all of your uppercase and lowercase letters that match in that row, I want you to take a picture and turn it into Class Dojo. Thank you.